Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to get into the recovery mode in iPhone 11. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So you must have a USB cable. Connect the USB cable which is connected to the computer. Press volume up, volume down, and just hold the side key for a minute. And I'm gonna keep the screen alive, and we should get into the recovery of iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. Exactly the same method. All these new latest iOS devices, you can use this method to get into the recovery. So just wait for a few seconds, and that's it. That's how you get into the recovery mode on iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and all the latest iOS devices. So this method works in iPhone 11, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.